Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway videos production. Today I am here at Crib Point on the Stony Point Line. Yeah, the sprint here. Here we got two sprinters, 7,017 and 7,006 departing. And I thought it wouldn't honk its horn, but unfortunately it did. Anyway, so it's the second last stop. Stony Point is the next one.
Why did we stay on it? Because he wanted to film the train leaving and departing.
Okay, I'm just going to do a pan of Crib Point Station. I'm only going to film the next train then go because there's a lack of trains here. Just a single track, single platform. Looks as if there are some toilets up there. It's probably the second longest platform on the Stony Point Line, excluding Frankston. Get the toilets. I reckon it could facilitate a 6-car train, but yep. Look up between the station building. This is unstaffed, and that's looking towards Stony Point. It's looking towards Frankston and eventually the city. Just trying to think what else I can show you. Just a look at the township, if you can see through there. It's quite a very small locality. See a lone light up there. That's pretty much all I can show you. Fortunately, it's quite a small and quiet station. We've got the sprinters returning from Stony Point. 7,006 is leading, and it will be 7,017 trailing. Andrew Cooper is the nickname of this train. Anyway guys, this train concludes the vlog. Thank you all very much for watching. If you do enjoy my videos, please write a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye.